Hello guys, my name is Nurzhas. Now I will explain you about static methods for lists and collections. Here you can see all the methods of collections class. Here is a UML diagram of Java util collections. Let's test them one by one. First of all, we have a list containing string elements. Let's test collections.sort method and sort this list. Let's compile this code. So you can see here we have sorted list by alphabetical order. Let's test next example. Collections.shuffle. Collections.shuffle method changes randomly positions of elements in this list. Let's print and see the result. So Taras Almaty stays in the positions of this free element was changed. Let's go next and test the collections.reverse method. You can guess that by name what this method perform. It just reverse the list. So you can see overall we have reversed list here. Let's talk about this method, collections.sort. We already know how it works, but in this example we have collections.reverse order object and have our list. Collections.reverse order object returns comparator object, and the comparator object that orders the element in reverse of the natural order. So this method is vice versa of this collection.sort method. Let's see the result. Taras Şıpkent Oral Aslan Almaty. It sorts alphabetically but by reverse order. Let's go to the next method. Collections.binary search returns integer, and we can easily find string elements from the list by using this method. List Astana and list Ural indexes. Let's compile this code. Java C. We can see -1 and -1. Why we can see -1? Because of to perform this collections.binary search method, our list must be sorted. So we should uncomment this line of code and sort the list, then perform this binary search method. Let's do this. We have sorted list and positions indices of Astana and Ural. Astana first index 1 and Ural index 2. Let's talk about next methods. To perform the collection.shuffle method with random object, we should have another list too with the same elements like in list. We already know about collection.shuffle method, but this time we perform this method with random object. It's using random object is useful to generate the identical sequences of elements within the both of the lists. And let's compile this code. You can see the same. You can see the two lists with the same elements. Let's talk about next method. Collections.copy. We have a list. It's list 2 with another element, and also we in this method we use list, our original list, and collections.copy performs it copies list 2 and replaces all the elements in the list with the elements of list 2. Let's see the result. So we can see only elements of list 2 because they have the same length, 5 elements, and we replace list 1 with the elements of list 2. If you have for example length 4, it will be an error. Let's test next method. Collection.n copies. We have list and copy list, and we can make a copy of element, copy of object. For example, I make a copy of the string 5 times and just print it. Let's see. Yes, we have 5 elements in the string. Only Taras. Next method is collection.fill. It fills the list with the element. I fill our original list with RTB. Let's compare and see. Yes, we have in our original list we have only attributes. Next method is very easy. It finds the maximum value in the list and minimum value in the list. Let's talk about this method. Collections.disjoint. We have 3 collections with elements, and collections.disjoint returns Boolean variable. If in our collection 1 and in collection 2 there are no same elements, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's see. False and true, because in collection 1 and collection 2 we have the same elements, but in collection 2 and 3 we don't. Let's test the last element is the collections.frequency. collections.frequency method, it returns integer, and using this method we can find how many times our string appears in the list. Of course, in our list, Ural appears only one time, and it should print 1. So it's the end of my video. I hope that you learned about something useful from this video. I wish all the best. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.